So that's me leaving Lyon. I've had to readjust to being alone again. It's been quite hard. I had the last 2 weeks with my parents, last week with Robert, and then I met one of my friends in Lyon yesterday. So I've not really been by myself for a while, and then the weather's not great today either. So I just kind of struggled to get myself up for it this morning. Starting to get a bit heavier. So the weather's really taken a turn, and my original plan was to head north to Luxembourg and then Belgium and then cut across to Calais, probably adding about 3 or 4 days onto the trip. But the further north I get, the worse the weather gets, and although this is quite fun, I don't really fancy doing it for the next 2 weeks. So the new plan is to just cut directly across France and head straight to Calais. Back on the road, another rainy day. It's been like this for most of the week, to be honest. Not a very interesting or exciting week. It's just been head down, push for the rain. But I'm getting closer to Calais now. Another couple of days, I think, and I should be arriving at the port. And hopefully I'll be able to just jump on a ferry straight away. This isn't good. This road has just descended into a total mud bath, and now I think my chain is clogged completely, or I don't know, like my bike just won't move. Oh man, this problem just went from bad to worse. The mud that's clogged up has just completely destroyed my drivetrain. Now I'm in the middle of a muddy field, in the middle of nowhere, in the rain, and no drive on my bike. So it looks like it's going to be a long, wet, muddy walk for me. So I've walked back to this village here, but there's no bike shop here. The nearest bike shop I've looked on the map is in a town about 23 kilometers from here. Not ideal. This derailleur has really derailed my hopes of getting to the UK. Tomorrow I was hoping to cross the ferry at Dover. Well, yeah, that does not look likely now. Alright, I've settled into my long walk. It's 12:40, 23 kilometers to go. Not too bad. I mean, it could have been in the middle of the Uzbekistan desert or the Kazakh steppe or something. That would have been a big problem. This, small problem. So about 5 more kilometers to go. Yay! But the rain started to come down a bit heavier. Back on a main road after getting lost down some muddy farm tracks. So I just arrived in this town, city, maybe small city. The bike shop that I looked up was like on the other side, of the town, but I'm just came across a big decathlon. So I'm gonna try and go in here and see if they can help me. So they've got a part, the derailleur that I need, but it's like a slightly different one, but it should still work. So yeah, they're gonna fix it for me and put that on. There's a hotel like not far from Decathlon, so I'm gonna go there, try and get a room, leave the bike with them, come back. Things should be looking up. Hopefully I'll get back on the road tomorrow. I might even make it the whole way to Calais tomorrow, which would be amazing after this setback. Wow, so those guys in Decathlon were awesome. They didn't have the correct part, but they stuck on like a different random rear derailleur. So it's working. It's not working perfectly, but at least I can ride. And hopefully that'll get me, I don't know how far it's going to get me, like the gear changes aren't very smooth, but hopefully it will get me to England, maybe even Scotland, I don't know, but we'll just we'll see how it goes. It's already about 5 o'clock, so I'm going to try and just find a hotel here, and then I'll see about getting to Calais tomorrow. Just seen my first sign for Calais there, about 40 kilometers to go. It's been a tough day, man. It's much harder to ride with only a few gears. The headwind's been strong, but I'm excited. Yeah, I'm feeling really motivated to get to the port. So that's me just arrived in Calais, and I think instead of making the crossing tonight in the pitch dark, I'm going to wait until tomorrow morning and get the ferry in the daytime when I can see some stuff. I think that'll be more fun.